Hey guys, 204 ground control. And in this video, we're going to talk about and review another CB equalizer. Still made by Sergi Buyback. Of course, with the help of another guy too as well. But these are their call signs. Okay. Now this is a 10-band equalizer, compressor, noise gate, and echo processor. And currently it is wired for a Striker 955. Never mind the dust, guys. It's been a while since I've cleaned up around here and things are hectic. But the first thing I wanted to do and get into this is, yes, it is 48 volt phantom powered. Okay, we already got the screws off. And I want to show you guys, if you do plan on purchasing this, you're going to have to come in here, all right, and actually switch on. See where my poker is? You're going to actually want to switch on right here for your XLR 48 volt phantom power. Okay, so when it comes to you, it's not going to be switched on. All right, so be careful with that. And like I say, it's not a tough objective. It's not. Just come in here, man. Get you a little poker or something like that, and just slide it to the right. All right. So with that being said, and we got that out the way, we will fire on up. Let me come over here and put my surge on. It is powered by USB. I know a lot of guys are using laptops, computers, and whatnot. You got to watch out for that, because if they're hardwired for the internet or using Wi-Fi, you can get some interference in between the computer and the mixer. So be real careful with that. We're gonna turn that down real quick, man. All right, actually, we don't even have her plugged up. So let's plug her up. She'll boot up, okay? And as you can see here, you have your mic XLR and mic amp. You see it's biased. You can switch between the inputs, okay? Which is a basic 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. That's for those mics. A lot of those stage mics come with stuff like that, okay? But we used the 48 volt phantom power. So we're not running through a professional mixer or anything like that. Excuse my voice. We're using the MXL 990, and it's coming right into the CB equalizer here. Okay, so you got your level. If you want to pause this and freeze frame this, this is what I'm driving the Striker with, okay? There's my gain, my gate, my compressor, my drive level, and of course monitor level right now is actually at 0. All right, and it does come with a cool little stylus, or you can use your finger. You click this button to go back to menu, and here's your equalizer. So you would go through these and you would tune them with your variable, okay? And if you want to freeze frame or pause this, these are my equalizer settings right here. All right. We'll click this, back out to the main menu. Here's your echo, okay? You do have a Roger beep, which is, it doesn't sound too bad actually. Okay, doesn't sound bad at all. You guys are wondering why you're seeing the meter go up and down as I talk. It's because when you use a studio mic, this thing is live, man. Okay, so it's constantly monitoring your microphone, whether you're keying up or not. It doesn't mean it's constantly keyed or anything like that, of course not. But anyways, here's your delay, time, level. You click on each one, okay, to go through its options, or use the variable to turn it up and down. See? And then when you're ready to back, we'll get Roger Beep off of there. When you're ready to go back to the main menu, you just go ahead and click the button again. And this pass circuit right here, this is your bypass circuit. So no matter your settings on your level, EQ, and echo, if you click this, okay, it's just straight mic, straight 48 volt mic. It's not going through the levels, it's not going through EQ, and it's not going through the echo processor. It's not going through none of that. It's just mic into the key box, into the radio. That's it, all right? So let's do a test with just the pass on, okay? Let me set this up real quick. All right. There we go. All right, this is with the bypass filter on. This means none of my EQ settings or nothing or my gain settings. It's just straight up microphone. We're gonna hear what this sounds like. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Audio check, break, break, break. All right, now we're gonna come back here. We're gonna allow all of our settings and equalizer levels and mic gain levels, compressor level. We're gonna let all that fly, man. Okay. Audio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that's some clean, clear broadcast audio right there. No doubt about it, man. Depth and clarity and just a nice spectrum, man, of modulation right there. Real clean. No doubt about it. 204 ground control Black Ops technology. Break, break, break. Okay, so you guys get the drift, man. Awesome little module. Okay, now this is version 7. Okay, now I do have a video on version 6, which is basically they're all variable potentiometers. Okay, most of you guys have the green buttons. I already had knobs and stuff like that laying around, so I changed mine out to the red ones. No doubt about it. But you see all the potentiometers, man. So everything's manual, no touch screen, none of that stuff. To be honest with you, what they have here, Sergi and his buddy, and what they have created here is just an awesome little device. It really is. The monitoring circuit is crystal clear, and that also works when you're not keying up. So you can actually put in your monitoring headphones and tune your settings out before they even touch the radio, okay? Awesome product here, man. You can find this on eBay, just like version 6. This thing rocks, man. I love it. And like I say, man, we have Pro Studio mixer here. We got audio line monitors here. You know, nice mics. Got another decent mic up there. Of course, your original Tug 8D104s. They just sit on the shelf and look pretty. That's all. But yeah, man, these things are wonderful, and like I say, I went through the whole thing and to be able to get you guys to freeze frame things, and basically you want to treat it as a radio drives the amplifier. Okay, that's how you want to treat these things. You know how your radio drives the amplifier, then your amplifier out to the antenna, and you want that perfect tune there. Okay, you want a great tune in between the radio driving the amplifier. Okay, it's the same thing with the mixer here. You don't want to have this thing cranked up, overdriving the modulation circuit of your radio. Okay, you want to find that nice sweet spot where you're driving the modulation circuit, but you're not overdoing it. Because you got to remember, you have to come back to the radio and then tune out your mic gain, man. Okay, you have a lot of tuning to do, and it's just the way it is. So you want to drive it and show the potential of the mixer just a little bit, man, to where you're not sounding like a CB power mic or a CB stock mic or anything like that. Okay, and then you come back and you follow and adjust your modulation. If you got meters, a spec analyzer, oscilloscope, whatever the case may be, you go through the processes just like that. If you don't have none of that, use your monitor circuit on your striker, or use your monitor circuit here, man, and listen to your audio. If it sounds shitty in your monitor circuits, you know when you transmit it's gonna sound shitty. All right, so anyways, this is another video of version 7 of Sergi Bybeck, his CB equalizer. So yeah, man. Oh man, I love these things. I really do. And I tell you what, they're worth the money. Even if you don't want to use, studio mics or stage mics or anything like that, you can still hook up a regular CB mic, a stock mic, and it'll sound better than any power mic on the market. And there's no two doubts about that, man. These things, some people call them a glorified power mic. Oh no, they're way, way better than that, man. Okay, these things make power mics sound exactly what they are. Garbled shit, okay? This thing will make a stock mic sound so close to a damn studio mic, it's not even funny, man. And especially if you know how to tune everything out right. Well, guys, this is another video, man. Usually in layman's terms, I twist my words up. I get ahead of myself sometimes, man. So if I missed anything, please leave a comment. I'm usually quick on the gun, man. So my replies are always within, 10 to 12 hour, time period. So if you got any questions or you got any added insight, that'd be awesome, man. Big ups to all my subscribers. I appreciate you guys being there. And to any of the new ones, come on by. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, man. There's always more content to come. And on that note, we're going to leave y'all with a nice broadcast message. 204 ground control. Black Ops technology, and we just got down.